Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I have passed out in year 2020. I have joined Jspiders in October. Jspiders is a very good training institute which provides excellent coaching to build skills and to enter IT sector. The teachers, trainers and the faculty are very supportive, and they provide guidance throughout the training. I would like to thank Keshav sir and Uday sir for teaching Java, and I would like to thank Mr. Syed Imran sir for teaching me web development and React JS. I would also thank HRs for giving me support and giving communication very well throughout and helping me in getting placed in a company. I would highly recommend Jspiders for those who are interested to learn and develop skills and to enter IT sector. Thank you.